What are the benefits of using rough cut capacity planning? First, improved project management. By doing RCCP, it will provide you understanding all your operational and outstanding job operations, means you can improve your project management. Second, better resource management. Better resource management, knowing how much work is passing through a workstation, can help you determine if too much or not enough workload are being processed, which will allow you to adjust the capacity by changing the number of shifts, changing the number of workstation in operation, or passing operation onto a contract manufacturer. Third, improved manufacturing lead time. The transparency offered by rough cut capacity planning allow manufacturers to easily identify areas along their production line that are being overworked or are prone to other issues such as bottleneck in the production.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.